Waianae Boat Harbor on a Sunday morning, winter 2019. Gonna go fishing today. Got Andy and Mike and myself. Have no idea what to expect. Seas are flat though. Okay, I got it, Mike.
Oh,
Right in front of us.
oh, that's the first time. Okay, I was looking at the water. The water will look calm in that area.
God. There it is. No, we got him.
Nice. Open there, James. Wait, I think it's come back up again.
It'd be great if you could put a fish up there and do that. Whoa. Yeah, there's two of them. Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh, there's, come on, flip that tail up. There it is, flip that tail up. Flip that tail up. Flip that, oh, there's a little. Oh, give me down. Look up. Oh, yeah, yeah, I got it, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that was a. There he is, right over there.
Right on the side of us.
Yeah, I know. That's what oh, yeah! Oh, man.
You caught that?
Yeah, I got it going. Yeah.
One more time. One more time. Oh,
Oh, yeah!
okay, that's another one, yeah?
denial as we get closer and closer. Oh yeah! Funny thing is, there's nobody on shore that you can see. Oh, yeah! Oh, that's a killer whale! There he is in front. There you are right there. Crossing our path. Back. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if they're going to continue on past us or we're going to... I'd like to go behind them. No, I want to go to the right. Yep. I want to go to the right. But I want to make sure that they are well steer clear. We're going to turn up. Whoa! Yeah.
Oh, that's